346. 4 boxes of S.P.A. Alright, let's see how we do here. Well, we start off with a retro Future Watch Auto for Anaheim to 399 of Erickson Ek. Retro. We got a blue of Cleveland for Ottawa and a Future Watch red of Desharnais for the Oilers. Pageantry auto for Seattle, Grubauer. We've got a focus of Rusick for Buffalo and a stone red for Vegas. Collabs for Buffalo and a red of Hughes for the Devils. Focus of Mintyukov for the Ducks. Spectrum McDavid for the Oilers. Future Watch red of Jarventi for the Sens. Future Watch Spectrum of Gutman for Chicago. We got a Bo Horvat Evolve. And we got a red of Perron for the Red Wings. Focus green of Beck for Montreal. We got a Skinner Pageantry for the Oilers. And for Minnesota, Kaprizov red. Focus of Patera for Vegas. Pageantry Robertson for Montreal. And a David Gust for Chicago red. Focus blue of Askarov for the Preds. Pageantry red of Ridley Gregg for the Sens. And a red of Edvinsson for the Red Wings. Focus of Svozil for the Jackets. Pageantry of Kempe for LA. Pavelski for Dallas red. We've got an Evolve of Verhaeghe. Pageantry red of Jari for Pittsburgh. And a Gruden for Pittsburgh. Future Watch red. Well, not too shabby to start. All right. We've got another retro for Florida, Samoskevich. 699. Florida Panthers, Samoskevich. Focus of Nestorenko for the Ducks and a Future Watch red for Philadelphia of Desnoyers. We've got a base auto, Teravainen for Carolina. Base limited auto, Carolina. Collabs for Philly and a red for the Devils of Nico Hischier. Collabs of for Dallas, a red for the Blues of Kyrou. Icons to 399 of Casper. Icons, 399, Casper. We got a focus of Dewar for Calgary, Spectrum of Pasternak for Boston, and a Hiroshi for Vancouver. Future Watch red. Future Watch Spectrum for Calgary of Coronado. Evolve for doesn't matter the team, of Reinhardt, obviously it'll be a random, and a red of Fiala for LA. Focus of Casper for the Wings, Pageantry of Getzlaff for the Ducks. Future Watch red for the Preds of Evangelista. Evolve green of Marchesso, Pageantry of Jari for the Penguins. Timo Meier red for the Devils. Evolve blue Zuccarello, Pageantry of Thompson for Vegas. Future Watch red of Benson for Buffalo. Focus of Cooley Coyotes, Pageantry of Durandu for the Islanders. Eichel red for Vegas. Evolve of Duchesne. Pageantry red of Carlson for the Caps. Sweezy for the Blue Jackets. Future Watch red. All right. Green Focus of Beecher for Boston. Pageantry of Gustafson for Minnesota. And a red of Kachuk for Florida. Focus for Chicago of Kaiser. Pageantry of Bergeron for Boston. Future Watch red of Svozil for the Jackets. Evolve Blue Tage Thompson. Pageantry of Svechnikov for Carolina. Future Watch red of Kulik for Buffalo. Focus of Greg for Ottawa. Pageantry of Beck for Montreal. And a red of Cousins for Buffalo. Evolve of Tage Thompson for, doesn't matter the team again. Pageantry red for LA of Mikey Anderson. And a Tompkins red Future Watch for Tampa. A $6.99 retro Future Watch auto, Soloveov. Soloveov for Calgary. Evolve of Zuccarello and a Future Watch red for the Preds of Afinaseyev. Oh, sickness. $9.99 Future Watch auto, Brock Faber. Future Watch autograph for Minnesota, Brock Faber. Well, I believe he might have been one of the case hit guys. Not 100% sure, but I thought he was. We got a Focus of Ginning for Philly and a Svechnikov red for Carolina. Either way, congrats, Minnesota. Collabs of Montreal, a red for the Jets of Kyle Connor, and a 99 gold of Casper for the Red Wings. Another good one. Spectrum for Vancouver of Patterson. Collabs blue of Montreal. Future Watch red of Montreal of Farrell. Spectrum Future Watch for Ottawa, Marilinen. Focus of Kesselring for the Coyotes. Tavares red for the Maple Leafs. All right, last box yet again in the solid break. SBA 4s have always been pretty damn solid. Pageantry auto, Ridley Gregg for Ottawa. Ridley Gregg, Ottawa Senators. We got a collab for Calgary and a red for Seattle of Eberle. We've got, that's funny, a 99 short print retro auto, Ridley Gregg. $99 Ridley Gregg. Wow, nice. Focus of Fantilli for the Jackets and a Future Watch red of Winterton for Seattle. Evolve of Stammer and a red for Vegas of Stone. Oh, my focus is off. Evolve of Fiala, Pageantry of Forrester for Philly, and a red of Konechny for Philly. Focus of McGing for the Blues. Pageantry of Andy Moog for the Oilers. Luke Hughes for the Devils. Red Future Watch. Focus of Angelina for the Preds. Evangelista for the Preds, sorry. We've got a red of Besser for Vancouver. $3.99 for the Islanders of Bolduc. $3.99. Evolve Bergeron. Spectrum of Sorokin for the Islanders. Pospisil Future Watch red for Calgary. Evolve Blue of Duchesne. Pageantry red of Leo Carlson for the Ducks. Hellison Future Watch red for the Ducks. Focus of Korchinski for the Hawks. Middleton for Minnesota Pageantry. J.T. Miller red for Vancouver. Collabs for the Maple Leafs. Pageantry of Svechnikov, Carolina. Ryan Johnson for Buffalo. Future Watch red. Now let me get the top, bottom, middle. Three times. 1, 2, 3. The bottoms get them. So there you go.